Welcome to Russ Works. Today, we're going to be taking an eyesore in the front yard and making it patriotic. First, I laid the blocks down to get the circle I wanted. Then after removing them, it left a dirt ring as a guide for me to know how close to get with the tamper. Next, I'm going to use a post hole digger to dig a 2-foot hole about 6 inches in diameter for the flagpole. Now I'm going to set the flagpole with post-fix expanding foam while making sure it's straight with a post level. Give that a few minutes to harden and remove the excess. Now to add the barrier stones. Didn't get it on camera, but once the stones are in place, hammer them level with a rubber mallet. Time to add the mulch. Obviously, go with whatever color you want. I prefer black. Also, to hide the ugly cable pole, I purchased a fake rock cover from Lowe's. Now for the flagpole. It was pretty windy out, so probably should have held onto the string while lifting it. And the final touch, the flag. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.